In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA San Andreas on laptop without a mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you don't want to use an external USB mouse to play GTA San Andreas or any other games on your laptop, you will be able to follow the steps in this video and consider your options. So to start, the most straightforward one and the one that I would recommend if you are willing to use it is going to be the trackpad. So as you might be aware, the trackpad is going to be at the bottom of your laptop. And usually most laptops nowadays will have a large surface area where you can glide your finger across it. It is going to be usable, but it won't be as precise and as satisfying as using a mouse. However, if you don't want to go out of your way to get a cheap USB mouse, then it is going to be by far the best option. It is convenient, it is going to be available on any modern laptop, and all that you have to do is use your fingers across the touchpad. Alternatively, if you want a little bit more precision and the gaming feel, you can consider using a controller. So, if you don't have a mouse, but you have a controller available, just plug it into your PC. Usually this will be done with a standard USB cable, or you can connect it wirelessly. As soon as it is connected, you can try it out and see if it works and it feels good to play. Alternatively, if you don't have access to a controller and you really don't like using the trackpad, you can play with your keyboard only. You just have to enable this option on the accessibility categories on Windows. By enabling mouse keys, you will be able to use the trackpad, or rather, you will be able to use the numeric keypad on your keyboard to control your camera. So essentially, it's as if you were moving your mouse towards these directions. So you can move your camera using the numeric keypad. Choose whichever option you prefer. The trackpad is going to be by far the most convenient one and the one that I would recommend. It takes some time getting used to, but once you actually get used to the hang of it, it will be very usable. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA San Andreas on laptop without a mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.